The moment of truth. I came out to do a load of laundry, but the washing machine won't turn on. Let's see if the circuit works. Well, that's okay. I guess this means I need to open it up and see what's going on. Maybe I'll do a little research on the YouTubes first. So with the washer unplugged, the power comes through the back and into this first device, which is a noise filter. Per the internet, I'm going to check this to see if I'm getting power from the output on this red connector. I'm going to plug it in. Got to be very careful now. Okay, so we have 120 volts coming out of the noise filter. That means that this unit should be fine. My problem is probably this unit here. So I'm gonna go ahead and order one and try replacing it. Difficult to see, but I got the part number off that little sticker down there. Better unplug this again to be safe. So I've taken out the old one, and I've got the new one, and they look about the same. But now we'll get the new one installed and see if we have any luck. The moment of truth. I forgot to plug in the filter.